Welcome to Tech Dream Gear. Hello, tech enthusiasts and agriculture innovators. You've tuned into Tech Dream Gear, your trusted channel for exploring how technology is shaping industries and transforming lives. In today's episode, we're diving into a revolutionary topic: automatic crop harvesters. These cutting-edge machines are redefining farming by improving efficiency, reducing labor costs, and paving the way for a sustainable agricultural future. Stay with us as we explore how automatic crop harvesters are changing farming forever. Let's get started. The need for automatic crop harvesters. Farming is at the core of global food production, but the industry faces growing challenges such as labor shortages, rising operational costs, increasing demand for food, the need for sustainable practices. Automatic crop harvesters address these challenges by automating the harvesting process, ensuring speed, precision, and cost efficiency. What are automatic crop harvesters? Automatic crop harvesters are advanced machines equipped with sensors, robotics, and AI technology to autonomously harvest crops. They are designed to identify ripe crops, harvest with minimal damage, reduce waste, operate efficiently under varying field conditions. How automatic crop harvesters work. 1. Crop detection. Using advanced sensors and AI-powered cameras, harvesters can detect and differentiate ripe crops from unripe ones. This precision minimizes waste and ensures only the best produce is collected. 2. Robotic arms and mechanisms. Equipped with robotic arms or picking mechanisms, these machines harvest crops gently, reducing damage and preserving quality. 3. Autonomous navigation. With GPS and LiDAR technology, automatic harvesters navigate fields independently, avoiding obstacles and optimizing routes for maximum efficiency. 4. Real-time data collection. Harvesters collect data on crop yield, field conditions, and operational performance, helping farmers make informed decisions. 5. Integration with farm management systems. Many machines integrate seamlessly with digital farm management platforms, allowing remote monitoring and control. Top automatic crop harvesters in 2025. 1. Agribot E-Series. Overview. The Agribot E-Series specializes in harvesting delicate fruits like strawberries with unmatched precision. Key features: AI-powered repus detection, multi-arm harvesting system, compact design for greenhouse and field use. Impact: increases productivity and reduces labor costs for fruit farmers. 2. Harvest Crew Robotics. Overview. Designed for large-scale berry farming, the Harvest Crew machine is a leader in efficiency and scalability. Key features: covers multiple rows simultaneously. Cloud-based performance analytics. Gentle handling to reduce fruit damage. Impact: ideal for commercial berry farms, enhancing yield quality and operational efficiency. 3. Frobotics Automated Harvester. Overview. The Frobotics harvester is versatile, handling various crops like apples, pears, and citrus fruits. Key features: high-speed picking capability, human-like grip to reduce bruising, easy adaptability for different fruit types. Impact: reduces labor dependency and ensures consistent harvest quality. 4. Nio-Dino for vegetable farms. Overview. The Nio-Dino is a robotic solution tailored for vegetable harvesting, combining efficiency with eco-friendly operation. Key features: GPS-guided navigation, modular tools for various vegetables, battery-powered for sustainability. Impact: supports sustainable farming practices while reducing operational costs. 5. Roboti by AgroIntelli. Overview. Roboti is a multifunctional autonomous robot that excels in harvesting and other farming tasks. Key features: dual-engine design for extended operations. Precision harvesting tools, IoT-enabled for remote management. Impact: provides small and medium farms with an affordable, efficient alternative to traditional methods. Technological innovations driving automatic harvesters. 1. AI and machine learning. Enables real-time crop identification and adaptive decision-making. 2. Advanced sensors and imaging. Facilitates precise ripeness detection and minimizes crop damage. 3. Autonomous systems. Reduces the need for human intervention, optimizing efficiency. 4. IoT connectivity. Allows remote monitoring, control, and data analytics for informed farming decisions. 5. Sustainable power solutions. Incorporates hybrid and electric engines to reduce environmental impact. Benefits of automatic crop harvesters. 1. Increased efficiency. Automates labor-intensive tasks, allowing farmers to cover more ground faster. 2. Enhanced crop quality. Harvest with precision, minimizing damage and waste. 3. Cost reduction. Decreases dependency on seasonal labor, lowering operational costs. 4. Sustainability. Reduces energy consumption and promotes eco-friendly farming practices. 5. Scalability. Adaptable for farms of various sizes, from small family plots to large-scale operations. Challenges in adopting automatic harvesters. 1. High initial costs. Advanced technology comes with significant upfront investment. 2. Technical expertise. Farmers require training to operate and maintain these complex machines. 3. Connectivity limitations. IoT-enabled systems depend on reliable internet access, which can be a barrier in rural areas. 4. Maintenance needs. Regular upkeep is essential to ensure consistent performance. Future trends in automatic harvesting technology. 1. Fully autonomous ecosystems. Integration with other smart farming tools for end-to-end automation. 2. Renewable energy integration. Solar-powered and hybrid systems to enhance sustainability. 3. Blockchain for food traceability. Ensures transparency and quality assurance in the food supply chain. 4. Multi-crop compatibility. Harvesters capable of handling multiple crops, increasing versatility. 5. Advanced AI capabilities. Continuous learning systems to improve performance and adapt to new challenges. Automatic crop harvesters are reshaping agriculture, combining technology and efficiency to meet the demands of modern farming. By reducing labor costs, improving yield quality, and promoting sustainable practices, these machines represent the future of agriculture. If you're inspired by how technology is transforming farming, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Dream Gear for more insights into groundbreaking innovations. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode.